Welcome. This is Jam Year 2014 Government Pass Question number 50, and the question here says former colonies of Britain belongs to the association known as Dutch. Former British colonies belongs to the association known as Dutch. That is what the title name given to all the colonized states by the British government. So the name given to them is what the question is asking, and as we answer in one of the previous questions, that Commonwealth of nations refers to colonized colonies by Britain. So we have answered the question by this exercise. So option A say OECD, B say NATO, C say European Union, D say Commonwealth. I want to talk of European Union. European Union is a conglomerative word of all the states in Europe. In Europe. So Commonwealth of Nations is the name of the association given to all the former colonies of Britain. So option D is correct. Thank you, and share subscribe for more videos.